of English reader, which is entitled The Jungle School. This chapter is related to this boy whose name is Mowgli. And this boy used to live in jungle and he went to school. But his school is not as usual as your school, because you study in your school many subjects like Hindi, English, math, science, social science and so on. But these subjects were not useful for him. That's why he used to learn something else. That's why this chapter is going to be very fantastic for us, because in this chapter we will learn how is the school in jungle and what did he learn. Let's get started. But before beginning this chapter, first we will see some hard word. Here is looked after. Looked after means take care. And we can see that bring up. Arithmetic. Arithmetic, the science of number. And quickly. Quickly means fast. Let's move further. Mowgli was a little boy. He lived in the big jungle with the wolves. More than one wolf, it becomes wolves. Father wolf and mother wolf looked after him there. Dear student, here is the description about this boy, that his name was Mowgli and he used to live in big jungle. He used to live with wolves and they looked after him. They brought up him or took a very good care of him. And father wolf and mother wolf looked after him there. Here it is written. They also sent him to school, as every child is sent to school. Mowgli was also sent to school. It was not a school like your school. Mowgli's teacher was Balu, a big brown bear. Dear student, when you go to school, there are many teachers to teach you. And here in jungle school also there was a teacher. And who was teacher? A big brown bear. And what's his name? His name was Balu. Balu did not teach Mowgli arithmetic or science. Means he did not teach him subjects like you are taught by your teacher. He teaches something else. What did he teach? They were of no use to him in the jungle, because why didn't Balu teach all these subjects, all Hindi, English, math, science? Why didn't he teach him? Because in jungle there was no use to him. He had to learn something else. What did he learn? He learned how to escape himself from other animals. He taught Mowgli how to climb trees and swing from the branches of trees. What did he teach? He taught that how to climb trees, that how one can climb on the tree and swing from one branch to other branch of the trees. Mowgli was a good student. He learnt very quickly, and Mowgli was a very brilliant student. He didn't take time and learnt everything fast, very quickly. He learnt whatsoever was taught to him. He learnt quickly. One day, Bagheera, the Black Panther. Who was Bagheera? Bagheera was a Black Panther, and what did he do? Came to see Mowgli. A Black Panther whose name was Bagheera came to see Mowgli. What are you learning now, Mowgli? What did Bagheera ask? He asked, Mowgli, what are you learning? Bagheera asked, I am now teaching him the words of the jungle, said Balu. Then, as Bagheera asked Mowgli, Mowgli, what are you learning? Then, in answer, Balu answered. What did Balu say? Balu said that I am teaching him the words of jungle, means the languages of jungle. Dear student, as you know, every animal speak differently. Every animal has different language. As snake does hiss sound, and sparrow does chip chip sound. And how does cat do? Cat says mew mew. And tiger, how does tiger do? Tiger says grrr grrr, like this. He is indicating the same. Who is indicating? Balu. Balu was indicating that I am teaching Mowgli the languages, the words of the jungle. Tell Bagheera the words I taught you today, Mowgli. Then Balu ordered his student Mowgli that Mowgli, please tell Bagheera the words, the language which I taught to you today. As Balu ordered to Mowgli to speak languages which he has taught him. Then what did Mowgli say? Which words? Mowgli asked. Mowgli asked, which words? Which language? Want to show off? Which language? Do you want to show off? Do you want to display? Show off means display. The jungle has many languages. I know them all. Mowgli said, jungle has many languages. In jungle, there are many languages. As I told you earlier that every animal has different language. Mowgli is saying the same. He is saying the jungle has many languages. Many languages are used in jungle. I know all of them. Which language do you want to listen? Speak the words of the hunting animals, said Bagheera. Then Bagheera answered that Mowgli, you please tell or show the languages of hunting animals. Who is hunting animals? Hunting animals who pursue some others animals to hunt. So you please tell their languages. So Mowgli spoke the words that bears and lions and wolves and other hunting animals use. Then Mowgli showed them the language, all the languages which are used by bears, lions, wolves and all hunting animals. Good. Listening the languages, Balu said, good, said Balu. Balu appreciated Mowgli because every teacher is happy when a student performs well. Similarly, Balu was very happy seeing his performance. Now, speak the language of the words. Balu said, now Mowgli, please show the language of words. Mowgli speak like the words. How does words say? How do words speak? Do you know it today? Words speak chip, chip, chip. Mowgli spoke like the words. Mowgli copies the words. Now, the language of snakes, said Balu. Then Balu, Mowgli hissed loudly. Then Balu again said Mowgli to show the language of snakes. Mowgli hissed loudly. Mowgli copied snakes, hissed very loudly. Good, said Balu one more time. Balu appreciated him. Mowgli is now safe in the jungle. Balu said, now no one can harm Mowgli. And Mowgli is now safe in the jungle. That any snake, bird or beast means any wild animal will hurt him, will attack him because now he is able to save himself, to protect himself because he has learnt many skills of jungle and he is able to protect himself. That's why no one can hurt him, no one can attack him and no one will try to make him his prey. I hope you enjoyed a lot this chapter, which is consist of many languages of different animals and was telling him that how did Mowgli learn his skill and what did he learn. Balu asks the question from Mowgli and after seeing the performance of Mowgli, how did Balu appreciated him. Bye bye.